Hi guys, this is Gavino from Advanblack. We are going to install the fairing spoiler on my personal bike. So we got to prepare first. So make sure you put Loctite on all your screws before you even start, so in case you don't forget anything. You know, set everything first and let's get started. All right guys, as you know, you set up your work area first, Loctite, bolts. There's no instructions on these, so if you want a detailed video of exactly how to do everything, go watch Steve's video. He is very thorough and gives you great ideas on how to do it. We are gonna try it a non-conventional way. We're gonna actually try to do it without removing the fairing, and let's see how that goes. All right, guys, so the first thing is you gotta take these little wings out. T27 or T25, actually. So go ahead and take these off. So the next step you got to do is you have to loosen up your turn signal bolt, which is right there. You're not taking it off, you're just loosening it up so that you can move this part just a hair. Don't forget to put it back on, but just loosening it. Is this little bracket right here. Comes in your kit. It's going to be labeled right or left, so you got to do it on the right hand side. It's not going to be that tricky. This little groove goes into the bar. Just like so. So you're not over torquing these. These are only 60 inch-pounds. So, just want to make sure they're tight, but not super tight. And then you're going to do the same on that side. The main part you have to worry about is making sure that this part right here is facing down and it's up front, not to the rear. It's that piece right there. Marked with the left or right. You're gonna go from the front, go over, and just kind of set it. There's two holes for the screws where they go, and you'll be completely set. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do in a non-conventional way, so you're just gonna have to slide it in. Try not to scratch anything and try not to hit anything. And I don't know if you guys heard, it clipped into place, but that's it. It was that simple. We're gonna put it there, and the bike already looks completely different. And like I said, you're just gonna wiggle it a little bit. It's gonna click into place, and you're set. The next step we're gonna do is we gotta take this cover off. This cover is easy, it's plastic, so all you're really gonna do is pull. If it comes off. I'm trying not to break it, so we're gonna pull gently. The grommets come out with this piece. So you have new grommets that are gonna go in that these two little holes right there. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, this should be the next piece. Let's see if it fits. Let's go to that side. All right, so we got it together, but it's a lot easier if you're gonna try this method. Don't put this part in all the way, kind of put it in there, connect one side together and then the next side over. And as you can see, everything lined up and we're all set. So now we gotta put the screws here, there, and the one on top. All right, guys, so after you got everything put down together, put the screws on, don't tighten anything up. The next step is gonna put these on here. These are simple. They're gonna go on top of the crash bar. Put them in, kind of close them out, and then you're gonna put a screw right through there. All right, guys, so this is the final part already here. Look at how beautiful that looks. It gives it a completely different look. It didn't take that long. There's a quick way to do it. But yeah, if you guys are ready to order, give us a call or call your local Advanblack dealer. Thank you. You guys have a great day.